Hello students and parents, this is Mr. Dawson here. I wanted to make a quick video to go over with you the instructions for today, the 25th of August, and for the 26th as well, so Wednesday during your independent learning time. So if you did not have time to get to this today, maybe you're an afternoon student, that's okay. You should have time tomorrow to do this. And I know this is all still a new process to all of us, so I want to make this quick video and go over some instructions with you verbally, so hopefully that will help you out and reduce some of your questions and concerns. So to get right into it, we're looking at one of my Google Classrooms, and this may not be your specific one. You may be in Mr. Wagner's class. That's okay. You will see a very similar appearance in Google Classroom. You'll see the same assignments posted. We did the same things today. First thing, or most recent thing you will see posted in addition to this video I'm currently making will be the Google Maps engine instructional video. That's a 10-minute video just like the one you're listening to now that will give you instructions on what to do as far as using the Google Maps engine tool. So that's something I'm going to be using throughout the school year. We'll go back to it and reference it frequently, so this is a good thing for you to watch, and it's also going to help you do your assignments for today and Wednesday. So we'll go ahead and open that guy up and watch that YouTube video. Next thing, we're going to come to independent learning assignments for 825 and 826. So let's go ahead and open that guy up. A couple of people in this class have already turned it in, so that's a good thing. So there's a lot of instructions here, but that is on purpose because we wanted to make sure we walk through this step by step as we learn this new process. Okay. Get rid of this. Okay. So item number 1, review and study notes on industry and U.S. region. We will be covering this over the next few days. So that's this guy. Let's go ahead and open that up. This is just a reference material, something you need to read and understand. It talks about what a textile is. Okay. It also has, sorry, that's in my way. It also has the regions listed out. It has a nice map of the regions all split up and color-coded. It talks about the non-contiguous states, which are Alaska and Hawaii. And further down, you will see another map, just again for you to study and to reference. And that's all that's on this document. So this is just something to review. So let me close this guy. We're back in classroom. Here, you may or may not see this YouTube video link. In some classes, I was able to link it here, and others, it may be a separate link. But again, this is the Google Maps engine instructional video. So that would be item number 2. That's what you would do if you haven't already watched it. Moving on to number 3, your online maps activity. So after you're going to take what you learned in this instructional video and put it to use in this. So let's open this guy up. U.S. Cities online map activity. So there's a link right here that you can click that will take you to where you need to go to work with the maps. So you will be locating the 3 following cities on the U.S. map. Got to get this out of my way. Sorry. Okay. For each city, add a map marker. That's the little balloon. You should know what that is after you watch that instructional video. You'll add a photo of each city's skyline. So if you just type in Pittsburgh skyline in the Google image search, it will pop up for you. You'll write a short summary of the industry that each city is associated with and why that industry is important. You can do that again under that marker or under the photo. You will see a box to do that. And then lastly, add a photo showing the city's industry. So for Pittsburgh, that's going to be the steel industry. So you do your Google image search for the steel industry. All right, let's close this guy. Again, you access that map by going here. And then lastly, Google Slides on U.S. regions. We didn't get to spend a lot of time on this today, but we will be covering this in greater detail in the days to come. So this is just to kind of get you started. So let's open up this guy. The first thing you need to do as a student is go File, Make a Copy, of the entire presentation. And you can call it whatever you want. It'll say copy of U.S. regions. You can call it John's copy of U.S. regions, whatever your name is, however you want to keep it. You can put it in a folder. If you have a folder made for history, you can put it there. You hit OK. I'm not going to do it because I don't need to, because I created this. So your first thing, you'll come to this link. Go ahead and click this link. It should take you out to the U.S. regions map. This is something I put together. I know it looks a little bit rough. It's my first attempt at it, but I went through here and color coded each region. And if you click on these, Northeast region, Southeast region, Southwest region, you can find them that way, or over here on the sidebar, you'll see these little blue balloon looking things. If you click Northeast region, it'll take you right there. So this is, again, just a study tool. You don't need to do anything right here. This is just a study tool. So let me close this, and I'm back into the Google Slides presentation. All right. So directions, whenever you see a yellow box, that means you need to type an answer in, and you will have had to make a copy in order to type an answer in. So slide number 4, for example, that's the Northeast region. So you would click in the yellow box, you would type Northeast. Okay. Now, as a student, I don't know what exactly you see once you're done with this. If you go back to Classroom, I believe there's a way you can click Turn In. So if you want to click Turn In, fine. If you want to click Mark Complete, that's fine. Whatever gets it off your screen, it's fine. Okay. So hopefully this short little video will help you know exactly what you're supposed to be doing and avoid some trouble that we may be running into as we start this new online school year. So much appreciate your patience and all your efforts that you're putting in, and we will see you next time in class. Thank you.